Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to another Rebel Nail YouTube video. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've seen your comments, we've heard you guys asking for this, so this is something that we did create just for you guys. But today I'm going to be unboxing our brand new mix kit. I'm also going to be joined by two special guests later on, and of course stay tuned for the very end because we're going to have a huge announcement and a really exciting giveaway. So I'm sure you're probably wondering, if you're new here, what's the mix kit and why are you so excited about it? Well, I'm super excited about this because this is something that we've created with our customers in mind. So a little story time. When we hit 30,000 members in November of 2019 in our customer community group, we hosted a very special contest. So that contest allowed our customers to create their own shade using Rebel Nail dip powders. So they mixed their Rebel Nail dip powders together to create their very own custom shade. From there, we voted on, well, you guys voted, and selected your top 10 favorites, and then from there, we picked our favorite from those 10. And of course, if you're new here, you may know and love D547 Elderberry, but Elderberry is actually the shade that came out of our custom color creation contest. So while we won't be doing another custom color contest, we wanted to bring the magic of mixing your own shade to you guys in your own homes, and that is why we created this mix kit. Let's get unboxing. So inside of this mix kit, we have this super cute sticker that I'm obsessed with, and then of course we have this really nice Rebel Nail tissue paper, which I'm super excited about. And then there's so much inside, so you'll see that we have our Rebel Nail swatches, your Rebel Nail mix kit labels, 4 empty 2-ounce jars. We did our best to add in a bunch of really great colors just to allow you guys to create any color, not only with the colors that you have, but with this mix kit as well. So we have D75 Vivian Clear, which that is just a really good base for any shade that you're trying to make, or it can help lighten colors or make them a little less saturated. And then of course we have D74 Veronica, which is our French white. This is a true white. You can add a little bit of this just to lighten any darker colors or make a little bit of a pastel shade. We have D77 Bubbly for just a little bit of sparkle. And then we also have D9 Blake, which is one of our brightest yellows. D246 Festival, which is one of your guys' favorite reds. And then of course we have D157 Reed, which is a really beautiful blue. And then of course we have D7 Barbara, which is black. So with black you can go in and just darken any of your lighter shades. And then of course with red, yellow, and blue, those are the primary colors, so you can make a whole bunch of different shades just using those powders. I think mixing colors is a great way to expand your color selection and your own collection. But of course this does also make a really fun gift as well. Of course it's great to gift your dip sisters just one of the jars on their wish list, but why not give them the tools that they need to create their own Rebel Nail shades. I will be bringing in the demo dudes, which you know and love. Today we're going to be having a little bit of a competition. So Ryan and Justin are going to come in separately. They're going to use our mix kit to create their own custom color, and then you guys are going to be the ones to vote on who wins. The guys have been talking a lot of smack to each other, so I know I'm definitely very interested in seeing who you guys end up picking as your favorite.
Hi folks, I'm Ryan, I'm a production manager. Today we're going to be doing a mix kit demo. I'm thinking today I'm going to go with a little bit of a green, so we can get the black out of the way, the shimmer and the red out of the way, and maybe I'll hold on to a little bit of clear in case we want to lighten it up.
Hi, I'm Justin, the plant engineer here at Rebel. I did teach Ryan everything he knows about production, so I think mine's going to be a little bit better. I'm thinking I'm going to go with a red with maybe a little bit of yellow to make orange.
I'm going to use a blue base. This is our D157 Reed here. I'm going to move over to our yellow, D9 Blake. I don't know what Justin's going to go for yet, but I think I'm going to be able to smoke him pretty easily.
I'm going to start by adding some of D246. Alright, so now I'm going to add D9, our yellow color. I'm going to add 4 scoops. I am counting out my scoops. I have a feeling that Ryan didn't. He bet he just threw everything together. Now I'm going to add D75 Clear. We are mixing this in a 2-ounce jar. It gives a lot of space, room for mixing. Bubbly, add a little shimmer in there. Gonna put 4 scoops again.
It's a real small amount here.
3, 4. Alright. Find my lid. I'm gonna mix it. I taught Ryan this, so I hope I beat him.
Yeah, there you go. Now it's just nice little sparkly.
So we have a nice orangey
I
shimmer.
guess it's time to swatch it now.
Gonna swatch it.
And now, the most important part is time to name the color.
It's, I know Ryan learned everything from me. He has some experience, but I think I have more. I'm gonna name my color Victory.
I think I'm gonna have to go with Ryan. Yeah, that sounds good. Much better than Justin, at least.
Alright, make sure to vote for my color Victory in the comments. Don't vote for Ryan, vote for my color Victory.
Dab. Alright. So this is my color, Rebel Nail Ryan. If you like it, vote for me in the comments. Let us know what you think. We hope you really enjoy our mix kit. Thank you.
So this is going to be our biggest giveaway on YouTube ever. So it is only available for our subscribers, so make sure if you're interested, you've already hit subscribe. We will be checking. But of course, you're going to win. We have a few different prizes. But so 10 of you will win your very own mix kit, and then we'll have 2 grand prize winners. And with that, you will again win your own mix kit, but these 2 grand prize winners will also win 100 half-ounce jars. So these shades are going to be randomly selected by us, but they are going to give you guys everything that you need so you can truly create the rainbow out of your Rebel Nail dip powder collection. So this is super exciting. We're very excited. Definitely make sure to read our description box for all of the nitty-gritty details. But to keep it short and sweet, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel, you've given this video a great big thumbs up, and that you've also commented and let us know which shade you like best, Justin or Ryan's. Alright, so I will see you guys next time. We're really excited for this giveaway, and we hope that you guys are too. Bye!